everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have some friend mail. Yay! A couple of friends sent me some goodies in the mail and I wanted to share them with you as much as I can because there's a lot of stuff here. First, my friend Gloria, she did some shopping and she got some samples while she was shopping, and so she passed her samples on to me. I'm not going to go through these individually. I will when I put them in our different boxes for Sample Stash Monday. But she sent me some samples. So Gloria, thank you so much for thinking of me. And I will add those to our sample stash. Let me move that. Next, I got a box from my friend Aidan. Aidan has a YouTube channel here called English Prof Style. You should know we've done things together, projects and all kinds of things. Anyway, she's become a really good friend of mine here on YouTube, and she was decluttering. I mean, doing a major declutter, and she asked me if I wanted some things, and so for the last few months we've been talking back and forth, and she sent me some things. So first, I'm not going into everything because people, it's a lot. So I'm gonna start with the samples she sent me. She sent me, I divided them up. All of these are makeup samples. This is all makeup. So I'm excited about that. This box I've got divided up into hair and body and skincare. So I will be placing all those samples in their the boxes they need to go in. Now, these are full-size items, or yeah, I think pretty much full-size items. First, she stuck in a headband, and I love this. It's Jack Skellington. It's perfect for Halloween, and I love Jack Skellington. I even have a Jack Skellington dressed as Santa under my tree right now. So I was excited to get this headband. So thank you, Aidan, for that. Now, full-size items. She sent me, I'll just pull each thing out. This is a shimmer body lotion, Vanilla Vibes shimmer body lotion. I'm excited about that. I'll probably use this in the spring and summer. So I'm looking forward to that. Also, this is Petite and Pretty Gin Glitter, hair and body glitter. Now, you guys know I like the glitter, so I haven't even opened this. I am not disappointed about glitter. Oh, it's got a doe foot. Look at there. I still have swatches on from my last video. Let me wipe that down a little bit. There we go. Ooh! Look at that. That is so pretty. That is shiny. This, I believe, is a deluxe sample. Or it could be the full size, I'm not sure. This is a Marc Jacobs setting spray, coconut setting spray. I'm excited about that. She sent me a Fenty Beauty highlighter in Trophy Wife. I didn't have any Fenty Beauty highlighters. There we go. So I'm excited about that. She sent me, I think, I Heart Revolution, the Gingerbread Heart Baked Highlighter. Love that. Let me swirl my finger around in this one. Oh, that's pretty. I know why she sent them to me, because they're gold. She's not into gold highlighters. I can pull off a gold highlighter, especially in the summer, so yay for that. I told her at the time I was running low on powder. As you guys know, I did run out of my Peach Perfect, and I got something else. But she sent me a couple of setting powders, so I'm not going to run out of powder anytime soon. She sent me the Becca Hydra Mist, and then she also sent me the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. So I am very happy to have those now. She sent me some palettes. So let me get these out. Let me get, I think that's, oh, I popped the bubble wrap. There we go. She sent me a Wet n Wild liquid cat suit eyeshadow in putty in my hands. There we go. Now, palettes. I had little sample of the Balm Springs, the little tiny sample. So this palette has Balm Springs, Balm Beach, and Balm Desert. And I am excited to have this. I'm going to love that. And then the Manitizer Sisters. I love Mary Luminizer, Cindy Luminizer, and Betty Luminizer. So yay, I'm excited for that. She sent me a Laura Geller. This is Glam on Demand. It's a blush, highlight, and bronzer. And I have a full-size Tropic Hues, but that's okay. Love that. I didn't have these, so I'm happy to have those in my collection. And then 4 eyeshadow palettes. Now this one is previously used, like some of the other products here. This is the Kevyn Aucoin Jewel Pop Face and Eye Palette. Let me show you that. I have a couple things that are Kevyn Aucoin, but I have never tried his eyeshadows or his blush or bronzer. So I am real excited to get this and play with it. That blush is so pretty. It almost looks like that Tropic Hues from Laura Geller. And this is a contour shade. Yeah, I don't think you'll be able to see that. Yeah, you can. There you go. Now, these other 3 palettes, she had ordered these palettes and they arrived with a broken eyeshadow. So she contacted whoever she ordered it from, either if it was Sephora or Ulta, and they sent a replacement. She held on to these, but she sent them to me. Now, I've already gone in and repressed the broken eyeshadows. So first, she sent me the Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsessions, and this one, I think it's just called Gemstones Obsessions. It's the all shimmer. This is the one that was broken, and I fixed it. I didn't own this one, so I was very happy to receive that. Next, the Natasha Denona Mini Glam Palette. I didn't have this one. I was excited to get this one too. That's what it looks like, and as you can tell, it was the shimmer on the end that broke, but I got that fixed. And then last, this is a palette. I kept telling myself I wanted it, and I kept saying no. Yeah, I get it. No. It's the Pat Mcgrath Sublime palette, and here are the shades. This was the broken one. This was missing some of the shadow, so you can tell it's deeper. I mean, it doesn't have as much product in it as the other ones who haven't been touched, but that's okay. It's a pretty gold shade, and I'm still glad to have this in my collection. So thank you, Aidan, and thank you, Gloria, for all my goodies. I'm really appreciative, and I love it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And guys, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.